North Asia is the countries of China, Japan, Taiwan, Korea. And the reason it's important for the U.S. soybean industry is because it is where almost 70% of all the soybeans exported from the United States go to. Another way of looking at it is 30% of all the U.S. soybeans produced in the United States end up getting exported to that region. It's also a market where you are going to continue to see growth in demand that's being particularly driven in China. We expect that exports to China will continue to grow between 3 and 5 million metric tons per year for the next 10 years. And this is probably the only market that's going to grow in that type of volume in the foreseeable future. The goal of the U.S. soybean industry's programs in China have always been to help be a positive force in China achieving its goals of sustainable food security and food safety. And this is a very important goal, not only for China, but for the world. Because if we have a situation in which China can't feed itself, and they represent 25% of the world's population, we're going to have a very great destabilizing force. And the Chinese government knows this. But through the investments that the U.S. soybean industry has made in China for the last 35 years, we've been a positive force in helping to create a viable animal agriculture, feed industry, and aquaculture sectors, and these are going a long way in, helping China achieve its goals of sustainable food security and food safety. In terms of sustainability, we've been working very hard to promote the availability of certified sustainable soy from the United States. And through aggressive promotion activities on the part of the U.S. soybean industry staff in North Asia, I'm proud to say that right now North Asia is the largest recipient of certified sustainable U.S. soy of anywhere else in the world.